All right, so our quick skill that we've got today is solutions to two variable inequalities. So let's go ahead and get started with our first I do problem here. So a point is a solution to an inequality if it makes the inequality true. So our point that we have here, the ordered pair 1, 7. I know that my ordered pairs are always listed in X, Y order, which means my X value is going to be 1, my Y value is going to be 7. So in order to find out if this makes the inequality true, I just need to substitute. So I'm going to use 1 in place of my X, so I'll have 5 times 1. And then in place of my Y value, I'm going to have 7. So I'm going to say plus 3 times 7 has to be greater than or equal to 14. So now I just need to simplify in order to find out if this is true. 5 times 1 is, of course, just 5. And then 3 times 7 is 21. 5 plus 21 is 26. 26 is greater than or equal to 14. That is true, which means that this is a solution to the system of equation, or to this equation. So we're going to say yes, it is a solution to the inequality. So that makes this true. All right, so moving on to our next one, we need to figure out which points are solutions to the inequality. So if it's asking me which points, that means that I need to check every single one of these. So I need to check A, B, C, and D to see which ones are true, because there might be more than one. So once again, I know that my ordered pairs are always going to be listed as X and then Y. So I just need to substitute in. So my first one here, problem A, let's go ahead and substitute in. We'll say 2 needs to be greater than 6 times X. My X value is 5 minus 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minus 24 is 6. 2 is not greater than 6. So we're going to say that A is not true. Let's go ahead and move on to B. Point B, in place of Y, we're going to put our 61. So we'll put 61 in place of Y. 61 must be greater than 6 times X. Our X value is 11 minus 24. Now, 6 times 11 is 66. 66 minus 24 is going to give me 42. 61 is greater than 42, so we'll say that B is one of our correct answers. Now let's go ahead and keep going. We're going to go ahead and move on to C. In place of X, we're going to put 10. In place of Y, we're going to put 12. So we've got 12 is greater than 6 times 10 minus 24. 6 times 10 is 60. 60 minus 24 is going to give me 36. 12, is that greater than 36? That is not true. So once again, we're not going to select that one. And then we'll go ahead and try our last one. So D, we've got negative 3 is our X value. 1.5 is the Y value. So we've got 1.5 is greater than 6 times negative 3 minus 24. So let's go ahead and see if that's true. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18. Negative 18 minus 24, is that less than 1.5? Let's see. Negative 18 minus 24 is going to give me, what is that? 32. No, sorry, 42. So we've got negative 42. 1.5 is indeed greater than negative 42. So we're going to say that that one is also true. So our correct answers are B and D.